Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are going to show you how to recover Gmail account without recovery email and phone number. In case if you have lost access to your Gmail account, either someone has hacked your Gmail account or you are facing two-step verification issue, still you can regain access to your Gmail account. So first of all, open the Play Store application from your phone. Download and install the Aegis browser. After installation, open it. And then you will see an interface like this. Now type google.com on the search bar. Then tap on search and then tap on sign in. Now enter the Gmail account that you want to recover and then tap on next. Then here Google will ask you to enter your password. You have already forgotten your password. Simply tap on forgot password. Tap on try another way. And then Google has sent a verification code to your recovery email account. You are being asked to enter that code here. If you know your recovery email address and have received the verification code, simply enter it here to recover your Gmail account. If you do not have access to your recovery email account, simply tap on try another way. And then here Google will ask you about two-step verification. Either you have lost your phone or you don't have access to your phone number, simply tap on I don't have my phone. And then you will land here. And here you will see kind of error like this. Could not sign you in. Now here you have to keep one thing in your mind. You don't have to tap on try again. If you will tap on try again and you will try again and again, your Google account will be locked. Minimize from here. Now hold the Google app. Tap on app information. Tap on permission. Tap on location. Tap on don't allow. Tap on don't allow anyway. Minimize this one. Then hold the Google Chrome browser. Tap on app information. Tap on permission. Tap on location. Tap on don't allow. Tap on don't allow anyway. Now go back. Here in the bottom, you will see browser app. Tap on it. Now select the Aegis browser. Then minimize from here. Now go to the setting from your phone. Scroll down. And then you will see Google. Tap on it. And then you will land here. And here you will see Google services. At the top right side, you will see three dots. Tap on it. Then here help option will appear. Tap on it. And then you will see how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Tap on it. Scroll down. And then you will see avoid getting locked out of your Google account. Tap on it. Scroll down. And then you will see if you sign in with just a password. Tap on it. Then you will see sign in with your phone instead of a password. Tap on it. Scroll down. And then you will see learn how to see devices with account access. Tap on it. Scroll down. Here in the bottom, you will see Gmail security and privacy settings. Tap on it. It will automatically redirect to Easy's browser. At the top left side, you will see menu bar. Tap on it, then tap on Gmail. Scroll down. Here in the bottom, you will see help option. Tap on it, and then you will see Google account. Tap on it. Scroll down. Then you will see account recovery. Tap on it, and then you will see can't sign into your Google account. Tap on it, and then you will land here. And here you will see you are having trouble with two-step verification. Tap on it. Then you will see your phone is lost or you can't use it. Tap on it. Scroll down, and then you will see recover your account. Tap on it. Scroll down, and then you will see recover your Google account or Gmail. Tap on it, and then you will land here. And here you will see account recovery. Recover your Google account. Now enter the Gmail account that you want to recover, and then tap on next. And then here success option will appear. Further you will see here two options. Update password, continue. Tap on update password, and then you will land here on password sense dashboard. Now you have to set a strong password. First of all, you have to decide your new password, and then you have to confirm your new password, and then tap on save password. At the top right side, you will see profile icon. Tap on it. Now you can see that your Gmail account recovery has been completed successfully and you are signed in. Now quickly go to the account management section. Update your recovery email and phone number. The benefit of this is that if you ever forget your Gmail password in the future, you will be able to recover it very easily. Thank you for watching this video.